Looking at that sunrise, a little bit of cloud cover there right on the horizon, but still looking great out there on our Hickson Funsick Kentucky Lawyers camera to begin your day today. Temperatures not as cold as yesterday. We've been talking about that all morning, as a little bit of a southerly influence with the wind mixed the air just enough to bump up those temperatures in a lot of spots. Still a little bit colder towards the south and southeast. With that southerly wind, we've got mountains down into southeast Tennessee. You're not seeing quite as much of the wind making it over the mountains, thus keeping those areas a little bit colder to begin the day. Looking at a closer look at some of our Kentucky mesonet sites. Both Fayette County sites right around 43, 44. Clark County a little bit colder down to 41. 36 in Madison County. Both Madison and Harrison County sites have been a little bit colder than everywhere else. That would suggest to me those areas protected from the wind a little bit more than what we're seeing here locally. Notice Harlan County, that is up on one of those mountains, so the wind is more prevalent higher in elevation, so you're getting warmer temperatures. Meanwhile, Letcher County in a bowl in the valley, around 1,500 to 2,000 feet lower in elevation than the Harlan County site, and it's colder there, 34 degrees. So again, really just depends on where you're at in terms of what you're dealing with temperature-wise. Everyone's going to warm up this afternoon as those southerly winds start to increase. A little bit of cloud cover out there. We just saw that on our Hickson Funsick Kentucky Lawyers camera. The cloud cover is mainly to our east this morning, but will increase from the west as you head into the afternoon and evening hours. There's our next system. It's a cold front. We'll drop our temperatures a little bit Wednesday into Thursday morning and also bring that rain in late this evening. Southwesterly breeze, as I said, really increasing temperatures for the early afternoon. By lunchtime, some areas into southern Kentucky could also already be pushing 70 degrees. Later into the afternoon, low to mid 70s, a good likelihood for a lot of areas. I might have been a little bit on the lower end, keeping our temperatures in the low 70s here in Lexington. If we get enough sunshine, southerly breeze increases enough, could easily hit the mid 70s today. Those rain showers move in from the north and northwest, spreading south and eastward as that front pushes through. So southeast Kentucky, Jackson, London, Manchester, you may not see rain moving in until midnight. Everyone will see that during the overnight hours. A few lingering showers out east to begin your day on Wednesday. May even see a little bit of that light drizzle or mist here in Lexington. It's going to be a cooler day on Monday as well. On Wednesday, struggling to reach the mid 60s for the afternoon. We clear the skies out Wednesday night into Thursday, allows our temperatures to drop. We'll likely have another frost advisory out to begin your day on Thursday before we start our warming trend Thursday afternoon back to the upper 60s and eventually pushing the 80s by this weekend. Your rainfall totals with the system, not expecting a ton of rain. Heavier amounts you head further north and west into southern Indiana. Williamstown right now, quarter to a half an inch. Most areas less than a quarter of an inch. So just some showers, maybe a rumble of thunder or two, but not too much to worry about. Our temperature trend, we bottom out around the mid to upper 30s Thursday morning, but Thursday afternoon back pushing the upper 60s, low 70s Friday, and then the upper 70s on Saturday. And that warming trend will continue through the end of the month into the start of the month of May. This is a look at the Climate Prediction Center's temperature outlook. Above average temperatures likely for much of the region. They are the close out the month of April and head into the month of May. For today, warmer temperatures, clouds increase. We have the shower icon on there, but that's not going to be until late, maybe late afternoon, mainly during your evening hours for most areas where we'll be seeing that rain during the overnight and maybe into early tomorrow morning. Looking ahead to your full 7-day forecast, we've got that go day on the way for Thursday, isolated to scattered rain showers, a few storms on Friday, isolated chances this weekend, but the bigger headline, the warmer temperatures pushing the low 80s by Sunday.